to love, live life, 'cause we don't know the day nor time it comes. So I choose to love and live life, 'cause when my season comes, I won't be looking back. No, no. They say you transitioned 11:45, just about 30 minutes right before I closed my eyes and I sighed. Never got to say goodbye, thought you'd be back round these parts. I cannot rely on the supposed-tos, the shoulda, coulda, wouldas, and my hope was we would have a chance to grow old, watching at the little children's and pokes on the porch, laughing how these youngins, they just don't know. Reminisce on our days at their age with the same impatient little games, and the way that we played didn't stray far from the apple falling off the tree. Now I got all these memories of how we used to be, feeling too young to recollect. Stockpiling all these tears, I can't hold them back. Gone too soon, and if you ask me, undeserved. So many men, wretched, still walk upon the earth. For what it's worth, I love and live this life, 'cause we don't know the day nor time it comes. So I choose to love and live this life, 'cause when my season comes, I won't be looking back. No, no. Love is the intention. Yeah, give it up. Love is the intention. Love is always the intention. But it's more than sentiment, if it's that at all. Love is grit. Love is discipline. It ain't easy, but it's free. Who really wants it? Who really wants it? Huh? Who really wants it? To Trayvon. They watch you hit the pavement, ain't nobody say shit. But when it hit the news, all these heads start debating. Flagrant foul, blatantly lame statements. Wonder why my people walk around with little patience and high maintenance, spending for the payment. Gucci rag, credit bag, get this thing cranking. Party and bullshit, that's how these fools get. 'Cause you never know when these crackers gon' pull shit. I mean the rug out from under. Change when they want a stone cold of old heat late like Indian summers. However do you want it to stay black and die? That's how you gon' get. So I just choose to love and live this life, 'cause we don't know the day nor time it comes. So I choose to love and live this life, 'cause when my season comes, I won't be looking back. No, no. To fall in love. The things you do. Don't sell yourself to fall in love. The things you do. Don't sell yourself to fall in love. 'Cause it's more than sentiment. We say one more time, I love, bring it down. Live life, 'cause we don't know the day. Y'all snap. Time, it comes. So I choose to love. Let's rock with this frequency. Let me hear them. Let me fill in. If you know it, you can sing along. Say, I live this life. Right, one more time. I live this life. Right, you one more time, y'all sound so good. Say, I live this life. You believe it? Say it with your chest then. Say, I love